Ask 3 vendors what automation costs, and you get 3 numbers that differ by 10x, because each is quoting a different slice and hoping you do not notice. Here is the honest, complete breakdown. Layer 1, instrumentation. Pressure transmitters run a few $100s each. Level sensors, similar. Installation and wiring often equals the hardware. A typical well site, low thousands in instruments. Layer 2, the control panel. A fabricated panel with a PLC or RTU, power supply, and terminations. From a few thousand for a monitoring panel to tens of thousands for full control. UL 508A listing adds cost and adds insurability. Layer 3, communications. A cellular modem and antenna. A data plan measured in single-digit dollars per month per site. This layer got cheap. It used to be the expensive one. Layer 4 is where quotes explode, the SCADA software. Traditional route, servers, licenses, and the big one. Nobody itemizes honestly. Integration hours, screen building, alarm config, testing. Often the largest line on the entire project. And the traditional route keeps costing after go live. Support renewals near 20% of license annually. Upgrade projects every few years, and your engineer time keeping servers alive. The cloud route rewrites layer 4. The same panel and modem connect to a subscription platform. Dashboards, alarms, and historian included. Integration measured in days. No servers, no renewals, no upgrade projects. So, a realistic complete number for a monitored well site. Instruments, plus panel, plus modem upfront, then a per-site monthly subscription, versus the same field hardware, plus a 5 to 6 figure software project on the traditional path. The payback math is not subtle. 1 prevented tank overflow, 1 compressor failure caught early, or 40% fewer truck rolls typically pays the monitoring bill for a year. Budget rule of thumb. Field hardware is roughly fixed either way. The entire strategic decision is layer 4, and that is where cloud platforms like Merobix change the total by half or more. Full line item cost guide with real ranges is on the Merobix blog. Take it into your next vendor meeting. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. We publish practical SCADA and oil and gas automation explainers every week. No fluff.